Hi, my name's Steve. Welcome to Leo Bay. It's a lovely little T25 that we've been working on, and the kitchen, we took out all the old dated cooker and sink unit. We've created a nice new worktop, added a bit of bling to the fridge door, replaced the floor where it was rotting, and put all lino down to make it nice and neat. In the gas cupboard, we installed the gas bottle properly with the straps. We fitted two solenoid valves, one for the cooker, one for the fridge, from a little manifold there. And then on the other side, we just put in a tank which is for the water supply, with a little submersible pump in there, all linoed through again. And then we fitted that off with a nice Dometic tap and cooker unit, nice sink, and then water. And then on the other side is the 2-burner cooker. Brings it a little bit more up to date, a little bit nice and neat. Okay, well thanks for watching, and we'll show you our next little project soon. Bye for now. Steve at Leo Bay.